In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Windsor AI for YouTube connector. By the end, you'll have your YouTube data connected and tailored to your reporting needs with a clear understanding of each choice you make. Start by opening the Windsor AI app and heading to Data Connectors. This is your library of integrations. Using the search bar makes things quick, type YouTube. Then select the YouTube connector from the results to open its setup page. Next, choose Sign in with Google. When the Google window appears, pick the Google account that manages the YouTube channel you want to analyze, then continue. You may see a confirmation screen more than once. Simply continue to grant the necessary access so Windsor AI can read your channel metrics securely. If a pop-up blocker interferes, allow the sign-in window and try again. You'll now see a checkbox beside the account you just authorized. Tick that box to confirm which account Windsor AI should pull data from. This step matters if you manage multiple channels or profiles under the same login. Click Next to move into the Data Preview and Configuration area. Here, begin by choosing a date range. Pick a window that matches your analysis goals, recent performance with the last 7 or 28 days, monthly comparisons, or a longer range if you're building trends. Keep in mind that larger ranges can take longer to load. After that, choose the data source. If more than one YouTube source is listed, select the one that aligns with the analytics you want to work with. This ensures the fields and metrics you see match your use case. Finally, choose fields. Think of fields as the mix of metrics and dimensions you'll analyze. Start with core metrics like views, watch time, and subscribers gained. Then add dimensions such as video, title, date, or country to break results down. You can always refine this selection later to focus on what matters most. That's it. You've connected your YouTube account, set a useful time frame, picked the right source, and selected the fields that will power your reporting in Windsor AI.